Welcome back to another Frenchy and Thailand video. Today guys, I want to share a little bit more update what's going on in Jomtien and Pattaya. First of all, yes, I'm right there on my office from Jomtien. Behind me is the sunset. It's getting better and better about the weather here in Pattaya, Jomtien. We're getting to the dry season. Weather, it dropped a little bit from 30, 32 Celsius to 26, 27. Nicer in the morning when you wake up, great during the day, and of course the night is beautiful time to walk outside and to enjoy the weather. Blue sky most of the day now, the rain is almost gone. This is a time to visit if you want to have a great time in Thailand. Start in the beginning of December. This is the week of Thanksgiving now in USA. I'm just going to give you a little bit more what's going on around Jomtien and Pattaya. First of all, last weekend we got the Canoe World Cup in Jomtien Beach, and then we got another activity at the same time. It was the night market festival on the beach at many booths. Hopefully you're going to enjoy both events now inside this video, and leave me a comment if you have any question about Thailand. It's a time now we have many foreigner tourists visit Thailand. You can see when we walk downtown, whatever is a Jomtien Pattaya, we see many more people around at the night market or at the nightlife bar or at the massage, whatever you visit here in Thailand. And secondly, we're getting more activities next week. This is one of the biggest events of the year. This is the Fireworks International events in Pattaya Beach. I will definitely make some footage for you guys. You can watching what happening next week. And until the end of 2023, we have more activities and events happening in Jomtien and Pattaya. And I will definitely report to you every single week. this is only a short video about what happened last weekend in Jomtien. I can't wait to see you next week for another video of the Frenchy in Thailand. And don't forget, please, to subscribe, click on the like, and leave me a comment about this video. Of course, you have greatness inside of you, and we wish you an amazing, great day, everybody.